Why do you spend your days picking up food waste?
It's a really great question. Why do I spend my days picking up food waste? So we take food waste from businesses and turn it into compost. And then that compost is available for local people to buy or to have if they can't afford it. To use that to grow food, then goes back to the cafes that we then eat. And so we're trying to create that circle.
During COVID, the local growers ran out of compost pretty quickly. Just like a closed loop system for organic material flows in communities, especially communities like ours that are at the end of the supply chain.
I chose to use Creu Compostio for my cafe because I like to know where all of our waste is going.
So I think we're sort of creating that space for people who do care, but just don't have the time or the facility to do it properly.
We decided to focus on business waste also because we wanted to create jobs. We didn't want to rely exclusively on... We're aware that a lot of working with waste and litter picking the burden ends up on volunteering.
Some people have said to me that this makes them feel really good about the town that they live in, knowing that this is happening, even if they're not like actively involved.
The Welsh community talk about this, Cynefin, sense of place. And that's what we're trying to grow and foster. I get a lot of people, you ask people why they want to work with us, and a lot of people say, it gives me hope.